Right kids, now remember, working on a BMW, disconnect the negative terminal, especially when working on engine. As you can see, you've got the jumping point just below there with a red tape around it. There's a starter motor terminal, and obviously we've got alternator, which is just below here, also exposed. You drop anything, you short it out, and it's gonna be shit. So best not to do it. I'm removing manifold. So what you have to do, I'm taking the cooler as well. That goes to the EGR valve, which is just here, and it's shit up. Anyhow, removing that thing, you have to gain some access mostly. So you have to remove, say, that pipe, which attaches to that. And you look inside and see that the EGR wasn't blanked off, or it wasn't remapped at all. So you've got two pipes here, or one pipe and a wire. That's for the anti-shudder valve, which I prefer to leave on because when you switch engine off, you get that like a thump sound. That engine is switching off. Anyhow, go into the manifold. So you remove that part, tuck that outside, just out of the way. Disconnect the battery, just to make sure you don't drop any spanners or anything on it, on the positive terminals that you see here. And next thing, you've got a 10mm holding the dipstick to the